Hello and welcome. If you are in your third trimester of pregnancy, you may be wondering what exactly you need to pack in your hospital bag. Do not worry, because today I will share a complete checklist to make sure you and your baby have everything you need for a smooth hospital stay. Important documents. Let us start with the essentials for you. First, pack all important documents like your ID, insurance papers, and hospital forms. Keep them in a small folder so you can easily access them when you check in. Comfort clothing. Next, think about comfort clothing. A loose nightgown or nursing gown, slippers, and warm socks are must-haves. Also, add a comfortable robe for walking around the ward. Do not forget to pack a going-home outfit that is loose and easy to wear. Toiletries. Toiletries are also very important. Pack your toothbrush, toothpaste, face wash, hairbrush, lip balm, and any personal care items you normally use. Hospitals can be dry, so moisturizer is also a good idea. Labor support items. Now let us talk about labor support items. Many moms find comfort in bringing their own pillow, water bottle, snacks, and headphones for music or relaxation. Some even bring massage oil or a small stress ball to help with contractions. After delivery. Next comes items for after delivery. You will need nursing bras, maternity pads, and comfortable underwear. Many women also prefer to bring their own blanket or towel for extra comfort. Baby essentials. Now let us prepare for your baby. The hospital usually provides diapers and blankets, but it is still a good idea to bring your own newborn diapers, baby wipes, and a soft swaddle. Do not forget to pack a going-home outfit for your little one and make sure you have a properly installed car seat ready for discharge day. Partner's essentials. And finally, pack some extras for your partner if they will stay with you. Things like snacks, a change of clothes, a phone charger, and maybe even a pillow can make the stay easier for them too. Recap. To sum up, your hospital bag should include important documents, comfortable clothing, toiletries, labor support items, postpartum essentials, baby supplies, and partner basics. Packing ahead of time will give you peace of mind and help you focus on the most important moment of all, welcoming your baby. So start preparing your hospital bag around week 34 of pregnancy and keep it by the door or in your car. That way, you are ready whenever the big day arrives. Thank you for watching, and if you found this checklist helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more pregnancy and baby care tips.